Hi friends and fellow Disney fans. Today we are going to be checking out Caribbean Beach Resort, the newly renovated rooms, checking out the skyliner and some other stuff. So if that's something that interests you, come along. So I am here at the skyliner. If you do not know, Caribbean Beach Resort, it does have skyliner access. You can either access it at Riviera Station or at the Caribbean Beach Station. And the skyliner basically takes you to Hollywood Studios or Epcot extremely quickly. So it's a real perk and advantage to staying at this resort. So Caribbean Beach is quite large of a resort, so they have multiple bus stops, and there is also a there's also an internal bus, so that will take you around just the resort. So if you are in a room that's kind of far away from maybe the lobby or from the main pool, then you can just quickly get over to the lobby by taking that internal bus. Okay, so we are checking out Caribbean Beach room. Got lovely curtains there. Come on, use your... Good job. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, ooh la la. So under the sea themed, hey? And this is one of those nice couch pull-down beds, which I just love. Okay, and here is the pull-down bed. And then we have a queen bed here. Tons of storage space. Then we have a dresser, flat screen TV. Here's a cooler. And here's a nice little coffee bar. And here's a Cuisinart coffee maker. Then we have double sinks. Hi. Nice closet. Another closet here. Here's the bathroom. How cute. Then we have a rainfall shower head, which is really nice. And this one's actually a tub. And of course, you have your H2O products. So I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this resort overview. Maybe this is a resort that you are considering for your next Disney vacation. If you would like me to come alongside and help you plan, I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So I'm here to help you plan your trip, and my services are completely free when you book your hotel and tickets with me. So you can find my contact information in the description below, or contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com or www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Make sure to take a moment and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.